Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm starting a short 3-part series where I'll show you the tools and setup I use every day for my remodeling projects. In this first video, I'll go through the 2 Milwaukee Packout boxes that stay with me on every job, what's inside, how I organize them, and why these are my must-haves for daily work. In the next videos, I'll cover my plumbing and electrical packouts, and then do a full walkthrough of my work trailer setup and power tools. I've been using the Milwaukee Packout system for a while now, and honestly, it's one of the best setups for staying organized on the job. It's tough, it's modular, and it keeps everything where it should be, ready to roll out and start working. So let's jump in, and I'll show you what I keep inside my everyday boxes. Now moving on to the first box, this one's all about the stuff I use constantly throughout the day. Milwaukee Rover Light. One of my favorite compact lights. It's bright, lasts a long time, and has a hook so I can hang it on framing. On the side here, I've got my Makita circular saw mounted, super handy to grab when I need it. I know it's not Milwaukee, but this Makita 36-volt saw has been solid for me. It's lightweight, plenty of power, and I've had it for years. Up top, I've got my main screws box, cabinet screws, trim screws long and short, backer board, drywall screws in 1 5/8, 1 1/4, and 1 inch. And up top here, I've got the tools I reach for when I'm doing finish work or little detail jobs. I keep a Pica pencil and a box of replacements here. Next, I've got 2 spring punches. One I use for knocking out door hinge pins, and the other for setting trim nails. Super handy little tools that save a lot of time. I also keep a self-centering drill bit, perfect for hinges and hardware installs where you want everything lined up clean. A couple of dust masks stay in here too. Always good to have extras on hand. This sanding block is a favorite of mine. It works with any standard 5-inch sanding disc, so I don't need to carry special paper. I've got my stud finder here. And my Milwaukee variable speed grinder. I mostly use it for tile work. And on the low setting, it's great for buffing edges and smoothing cuts. I also keep a bullnose corner trim gauge. And a pin-type moisture meter. Super useful for checking wood or drywall before finishing. router bits and pilot point drywall bits for drywall cutout tool. Next up, I've got my 3-drawer box. This setup keeps all my hand tools organized and easy to grab on any job. In the first drawer, I keep my everyday essentials, the tools I reach for constantly. I like how the drawers slide smoothly and stay clean. Milwaukee really nailed the design with these. The latches keep everything secure, even when the trailer's moving. This one's my drywall lift tool. Makes it easy to raise sheets and adjust them with one hand. Simple, but saves a lot of time on installs. Digital angle finder. Great for getting perfect angles on trim, tile, or framing. It gives quick, accurate readings, so every cut lines up just right. This little hook tool comes in handy during demo. I use it to lift up carpet or pull material from tight corners. Simple, but super useful. In the second drawer, I keep all my grinder and oscillating tool accessories, diamond blades, sanding pads, and cutting wheels. Everything I need for tile, drywall, or metalwork is right here, quick to grab and ready to go. These are my countersink drill bits. I use them for clean screw holes when working on trim, cabinets, or framing. These are my diamond tile cutters, different sizes for drilling clean holes through ceramic or porcelain. In the third drawer, I keep my Makita drywall cutter and Makita jigsaw, plus a Milwaukee multi-tool. These three handle most of my detailed cutting, from drywall openings to trim and finish work. I also keep a Makita battery in here. In this bottom rollout box, I keep my Milwaukee cordless nailers and staplers, everything from finish to framing. I've got extra nails, staples, and a few M12 batteries stored on the side. This setup keeps all my fastening tools together and ready to grab for trim, framing, or quick installs. This is my next Packout setup. On top, I've got my drill and impact driver box. These two tools are the heart of almost every task on site, from framing and cabinetry to drywall and finish work. I keep my knee pad right on top so they're always within reach before I start the day. On the lid of the drill box, I mounted my drill bit set and my driver bit set. This setup saves a lot of time. No digging through drawers or opening extra cases. Right next to them, I attached two small Packout boxes. One is for the screws I use most often, wood screws, drywall screws, and trim fasteners. And the other holds small tools and accessories. Next, I've got my Milwaukee Packout vacuum. This one's battery powered and really powerful for its size. Below that is my Tapcon screw and rotary hammer setup. This box is ready for any concrete or block work, drilling anchor holes, mounting brackets. I keep different sizes of Tapcon screws, masonry bits, and my Milwaukee rotary hammer all together so it's grab and go when I'm working on masonry. And right under that, I've got a box with all my finish nails, different sizes and gauges for my cordless nailers and staplers. It keeps everything sorted, brads, finish nails, and narrow crown staples. And in the bottom box, I keep my drywall and detail tools. Inside, there's my Milwaukee drywall screwdriver. My Milwaukee orbital sander and a stack of sanding discs fit in here too. I've also got my Makita trim router in this box, one of my favorite precision tools for fine edges and cutouts. So that's my second Packout setup. All my drilling, fastening, and detail tools organized and ready for any remodel. I really like how the Milwaukee Packout system keeps everything protected and easy to roll from job to job. It just makes the day smoother. In the next video, I'll go through my plumbing and electrical boxes, all the specialized tools and fittings I use for installs and repairs. And after that, I'll show you the full setup inside my work trailer, how I organize my power tools, chargers, and larger equipment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other tool setup videos here on the Green Home channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in